Claudia's Fusion Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you how to do a delicious grilled chicken Asian style salad. If you did not subscribe yet, do not forget to click the subscribe button down below. This way you will receive notifications about my new videos. Remember, I will upload a new video with delicious recipes from around the world once a week and you don't want to miss them. Let's do this.
The following ingredients are needed:
romaine lettuce, half a red onion, some baby spinach, 1 nectarine, 2 tomatoes,
1 avocado,
the juice of half a lemon, half a cucumber, 3/4 of a can of black beans, optional some nuts, 1/2 a chicken breast sliced, in my case I have it sliced in 3 pieces, sesame oil, soy sauce and olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. We start by cutting the lettuce.
We transfer the lettuce to a salad bowl. We cut the spinach.
Everything is already pre-washed.
And into the bowl it goes.
Cut the red onion. The onion is killing us.
And we'll sleep like babies tonight with this much onion. We do the same with the tomatoes. I cut them in half and then slice them long. Add them to the bowl. Now we prepare our avocado. This salad is already looking so good. Look at how beautiful our salad is already looking. I'm dying to try it. Peel the cucumber and slice it. Doesn't hurt to try it. We also want to slice our nectarine at this time.
Look at the delicious and beautiful colors that our salad has.
And let's not forget about our protein, our black beans.
In a mixing bowl, we start preparing the dressing. We add some olive oil, some sesame oil, soy sauce, half lemon juice, and we mix everything together. And if you want to be a little bit adventurous today, you can add some fresh garlic or powdered garlic to your mixture. This smells so good. Our salad is almost ready. We have to prepare the chicken now.
We heat up our grill, and once hot, we grill our chicken.
Add some salt, some pepper,
and let it grill for a couple of minutes. We turn them over and we season it with a bit more salt and pepper. And after a few more minutes, they are ready. Now just cut the chicken in small pieces like I'm doing here. Place the chicken in the salad bowl. Throw in some nuts, salt and pepper to taste, You can mix in the dressing if you like. I personally like to leave it on the side so that everyone puts as much as they like. And voila!
We are done with our salad. This is a delicious and healthy meal full of vitamins and proteins. You are going to love it. Thank you for watching, and if you don't subscribe, do not forget to click the subscribe button down below. This way you'll receive notifications about my next videos. Remember, I will upload a video every week with delicious recipes from around the world. If you want me to do a recipe of your choice, please leave it in the comments. Also, if you want to say hi to somebody special for our program, leave it in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.